All right. So now we just get to chopping. And because I want this to be more like a sauce, but I don't want to put this in the blender. I don't want a puree. I want there still to be some texture. So you're going to get some practice with your knife skills. Good sharp knife. Doesn't really take that long. And it stays a prettier color and it leaves it with some texture. Okay. And if you could smell how good my kitchen smells right now, I love cilantro. We really finely chopped our cilantro. I've got my onion. This is a sweet onion. And I've left the root end on because I want a finely diced, minced onion. And then I'm going to go in this way on the side and make a bunch of cuts. And the root end keeps it together for me. And then I am dicing this, mincing this as finely as I can. Fresh lime. I want about 1/4 cup. So that's like one whole good juicy lime. So this is all about summer fresh and fast, right? This needs salt. And a spoon. And if you wanted a little bit of heat, you completely could finely dice in some jalapeno. Because I have a mix of people at the house, some who like the spice and some who don't, I'm going to leave it out. And then whenever I serve fish tacos, I like to just put some finely chopped jalapeno out for people to put on as a topping. So I'm going to let this sit, and the acid from the lime is going to break down the onion a little bit. The salt is going to help it break down. If you want it a little bit saucier, you can put in a little drizzle of olive oil, but I just like it just like this.